Charlie Gaming MC here, and today we're gonna be playing some Mineplex with budgie. Is that how you pronounce
What?
it? Is that how you pronounce it? Budgie.
Budgies.
Aye, budgies. Yep. Yeah.
Oh, pick up.
So,
Pick
no, I
furnace.
want to choose a block. I want to be. I always wanted to be one of those. I wish we had plant pots because they're OP.
Your mic's a bit laggy.
Oh, sorry, it's just like recording. Sometimes it doesn't. Yep, my layer looks pretty legit. So where did you go?
I'm hiding.
Where did you go to walk?
Oh, I went as a furnace. It's probably a really bad idea.
I went as a beacon.
Oh, beacon's easy. No.
I'm just trying to fix my thing to make sure everything's working. Oh,
Oh god. He's here.
I'll just, yeah.
He's here.
Who?
It's a secret. He's on the boat I am on. No. Please, sir. Too strong.
Wait there, I think I can see you. Oh, you're dead. Was that you? Wait there, what block are you again?
Furnace.
Fun, I can't see you. They've just killed a beacon on the boat. So.
Oh god.
Oh, what's that white cloud doing? Who does it think it is?
Don't know. We should slap it in its face.
Spamming.
Anyone making a YouTube video? Nope. No. Oh no, oh no, oh no. There's a person literally just ran behind me.
Knockback sword. Wooden sword.
A person just ran right next to me.
It's so awkward because I'm using a new texture pack as well. So.
Is it good?
I think it's good. It is, I'll tell you now, it's called Exchange Workshop 64.
Never heard of that texture pack. Sounds good though. I can't set his block. I got Pauline. I can't. I'm a visible furnace. Come on, set. It's because of house lamps.
It's funny because sometimes the server glitches out and they can't actually hit you. It's messed up, they can't hit you because the server sometimes lags and they can't hit you, but they're hitting you. But it doesn't damage you and you can like just troll them.
I'm just running round. That's how good I am.
I usually do that in the last like 10 seconds or something. We've got 2 minutes. Oh.
So we run around more. Da-da-da, da-da-da-da. I don't know where you are.
Oh, no, I'm getting attacked.
No, don't die.
No.
Oh, you died.
So what block were you again?
I'm a crafting table. Definitely a crafting table.
Sounds good. I don't know if I couldn't you had to use cobblestone to make a crafting table.
Yeah. How do you set as block? I can't. No, leave me alone. Damn it.
Why is it no? It's like a barrier blocking me. Or is that just the server? I'm like stuck in a barrier. Is barrier blocking me?
I don't know.
Nah, like. Oh my days, this is so messed up.
Hey, I died and you didn't kill me. How does it feel? 90 seconds until they win.
90 seconds. 90 seconds that we can spare. Hopefully, if this thing stops blocking me.
Mana puede beber un poco? Don't know where I am.
I hope the artist stops by there, look at me, not happening.
I want to find you. I don't care if you're all dead.
I just can't do anything.
That was quick.
Friends. Did everyone die?
I'm short-sighted. And guys, we'll see you in the next game.
Okay. Hello guys, I'm back for the next little part. I'm not really that good. Yep, so I'm gonna hide right here where no one can find me. Probably he will if he dies though. Come on. No. No, don't.
They're coming to smell us. Okay, I'm hiding.
Don't. There's a couple of people in this game.
I'll be back in a second.
Okay. So guys, I'll be back if I find anything out of that. Let's a close go back, and we've had the best idea ever. We're going on a round. Recover seeker. I have to deck at just then.
Okay, I'm going. I'm gonna die. Help.
No one's even trying to kill me. I didn't even kill what you want, to be honest.
You're meant to join me.
I can't find any, like, seekers to kill me. Are they all in like a coffee break?
Probably.
I can see you though.
Where are you?
You know what, I'm gonna just run around here to see how long I can last.
What block are you?
An anvil.
Were you the anvil? I heard a noise. Keep hearing a noise.
Hello, crafting table. Crafting table just passing me there.
What 2 achievements?
For what?
First one was kill an anvil.
Oh no.
And kill my first seeker. Hide.
No,
adventure.
Adventure. There's a crafting table in there now, as well. So, what kind of... Oh, they renamed the...
When I hit blocks, it makes a weird noise. Is that meant to happen?
No, the iron sword. They renamed it the block destroyer. So we've got 1 minute 44 seconds to win the game.
Budgie just hit planks.
There was this funny story I got told. Basically what happened, the little brother went soggy biscuit, and every time they killed someone, it would come up, you just got killed by a soggy biscuit. It was more funny at the time because you never really got the full story, but it was funny. I'm gonna change my chunks to one, but I don't even count why that at 4. Should have been at like 13.
Why would someone tell me to hit planks?
I can literally hear everything in your background noise.
A what?
Your background noise, like your dad speaking or something.
Yeah. Can you not hit my budgie?
A bit.
A bit.
No, that much. I can mainly hear your dad and someone else.
Yeah. This is why I don't record on Sundays or Saturdays.
Fair enough.
What's that noise? What happens when you hit something? What is that noise?
It's just like telling you that you hit the block, even though you can that you hit the block. I don't know. It's just basically telling you hit a block, even though you can that you hit a block.
Oh, we lost.
this best seeker system.
Hmm.
So guys, that was me playing with budgie. Is that budgie? I just can't pronounce it right. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, subscribe, like, blah blah blah. Be sure to go and check over his channel, budgie.
Bye.